Did you know that spending time in nature can have a profound impact on your mental and physical health? Studies have shown that being in nature can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also boost your mood and overall well-being. So, make it a habit to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes a day in nature. It could be a walk in the park, a stroll by the beach, or even just sitting under a tree. Embrace the beauty of nature and let it rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay grounded, stay healthy.